Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to get started with Docs by Era to automate voucher creation in TallyPrime. If you handle many invoices every day, creating vouchers can take time. Docs by Era, powered by AI, helps you create vouchers quickly by automating the process. You can send vouchers from the Tally Era app to TallyPrime or import documents from your computer. With Docs by Era, voucher creation takes only a few clicks. To get access to Docs by Era, you need to register on the Tally Solutions webpage. Open the Tally Solutions webpage. Enter name and phone number. Enter your email ID and then enter the Tally serial number. Click Send OTP. Enter the OTP received on your mobile number. The registration is successful and the plugin will be deployed for your Tally serial number. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. To load the plugin in TallyPrime, you need to update the license. In TallyPrime, press F1, go to Settings, then License. Select Manage License. Press F5 to update the license. Enter your Tally.net ID and password. The license gets updated. Now, let's check the availability of the Docs by Era plugin. Press F1 and go to Tally Plugins. The plugin is loaded and ready to use. Once you register for Tally Era, you get to import a total of 100 pages. To use the plugin for voucher creation, you need to provide consent at the first instance of import. TallyPrime uses AI to read your documents securely and create vouchers from PDFs and images. To import documents, you must provide consent when you import transaction documents for the first time. Press Alt-O and select Transactions. Select Docs by Era. Specify details such as voucher type, voucher mode, and file path, and then select the file you want to import. To agree with the terms and conditions and provide consent, enter your Tally.net username and password. Let's view Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. Now, let's agree to the terms and conditions and provide consent for importing transactions using Docs by Era. The transaction document gets imported. You can view the transaction in the Draft Transactions report. Once consent is given, add your mobile number under Security in TallyPrime to use the Tally Era app. You can then install the app on your phone to start uploading documents. To know how to do that, you can view our video, How to Create Vouchers in TallyPrime using Tally Era app. Now let's see how to check your available quota for Docs by Era on the Tally Solutions portal. Log in to the Tally Solutions customer portal. Under Control Center, click Docs by Era, which is under Tally Era Services. You can view total quota available here. Now, click the three dots and then click View. If your quota is exhausted at any point in time, then you can click Upgrade and purchase more pages for document import. When the quota is available, you can import transaction documents to TallyPrime. Now that you know how to get started with Docs by Era and the Tally Era app, you can learn how to create vouchers using them. Watch our videos, how to create vouchers in TallyPrime using Tally Era app and how to create vouchers in TallyPrime using Docs by Era. The links are in the description. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.